as everyone can see, I've got the green all on, I've got the white. Brackets are all in place. Here, look at something else I did. This board here was kicked way out and it was just kind of warped that way due to the weather.
Yeah.
So I freaking pushed it all back in.
Oh, you added a bracket.
And I put a bracket in there and now it's like way straighter than it was.
This house was lacking a craftsman and now it has a craftsman living in it.
Now when you're up this close,
it looks fine.
It's not perfect, but nobody's ever going to come up here this close.
Well,
down below,
even up here looks fine. And the way that you sealed it all and such.
A lot of you might remember in a video a long time ago, I was talking about how I wanted to put a trim board the same width as the other trim boards. Well, I did that.
It looks so fucking good.
You can just see the last piece of the old one that was there, that little tiny quarter round thing that I didn't like. So I did this to kind of frame the whole side.
It matches with the lower side of the house too.
And all this wood came from the stuff downstairs. You know, I sorted everything by size, so I started digging through the 1x pile. I'm like, oh, I can use this board and that board, and I cut each side to width, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 pieces that make it up. And up here you can see the joints real good. But down below you can hardly see that.
Oh yeah. And now with lumber prices being so high, scavenging that lumber is just, it's so good.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the lumber prices, but yeah. But look, and I caulked everything.
Oh, you did?
This whole edge was all caulked. A lot of these were caulked. So it kind of seals it all up. Because before there was just all these big openings everywhere. It looked like shit. But when it's all sealed and painted, it's freaking sweet.
Let's go down and admire it.
Yeah, because now this, I ain't gonna fuss with this no more. Now it's on to that side. And then we can start doing the lower parts, but this is done. You can see I went all the way to the corner there.
Yeah.
That bracket's been done. The trim piece. You can see that back board under there hasn't been done yet.
Well, we'll get to that. That's on the back side.
Right, that's on the back side. But, and then the goddamn birds.
Pooping on your thing.
Rag and wash that off, these freaking birds. But what I really like is that super crisp line between the green and the white, you know?
It looks so good.
I mean, remember when I was up there, I said, oh, look at this is made up of this board, and that board?
Yeah.
You can't even see the seams from here. It looks like one continuous board.
It does.
Yeah, I like that. And like I was saying up there, oh, you can see every little imperfection, but down here,
you can't
see none of it.
And it looks great.
Yeah. Those brackets turned out nice. The paint turned out nice. That's money there.
Oh yes, this house could be worth a lot as long as the market doesn't crash.
Clean up our mess. First window in.
Oh yeah, so that'll be the next video after this little teaser video.
Because we got that window, I got that one, that one, that one, and that one. And I screwed up. And instead of these two, I ordered the same size as these smaller ones on either side of that big one.
Well, at least you can use them on the front.
Which isn't, no big deal. Because
you freaked out though before you realized that you actually did still have a use for them.
Right, because these were all custom made for these windows, so I don't think they're returnable. And I was like, oh my god. But then you said, well, there's the same ones right there, and I was like, oh, that's right.
Yeah.
So we'll just put those there, and I'll reorder.
And the front porch can be cleaned up too.
Yeah, she was a gathering.
This might be more of a summer project whenever the sun's too hot.
Yeah, I mean,
like right now. Yeah.
You know, this morning when I woke up, it was all cloudy and cool, and I thought, perfect. But now it's really starting to heat up. I mean, I'm sweating pretty good.